Hello everybody, just a quick news about Oliveto. As many of you already know, Oliveto's had a fire. Obviously, it was accidental fire and destroyed the kitchen and dining room. And we don't know when can it reopen because the damage is huge. And therefore, I had to think very quickly what to do, and I've decided to change things around and change Olivocarne into Oliveto. As you can see, the outside area is beautiful. It looks a little bit formal, but please do not feel intimidated and come in just for a pizza. This restaurant now will house the same menu as Oliveto before, with few extra dishes from Olivocarne. So therefore will be even slightly better. The dining room is bigger. We can house big party with large families if it's possible. The team is great. And talking about team, the team that really helped me to change this around, my head office, my head chefs, and everybody around who supported me, made it happen very quickly, maybe just over a week. This is a bigger dining room, as you can see, where you can house family. And that I would like to say thank you to all the support that I've received from the clients and the regular people who come into this restaurant. And with that, I will say thank you and goodbye.